In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a template in Microsoft OneNote. Templates in OneNote are a great way to create consistent layouts for your notes, but sometimes you may no longer need a specific template and want to remove it. Deleting a template is straightforward once you know where to look. First, open your OneNote application and navigate to the notebook or section where the template you want to delete is applied. Templates are typically saved under the Insert tab, so make sure you're familiar with where your templates are located. Next, click on the Insert tab at the top of OneNote. In the Insert menu, look for the Page Templates option. This opens the Templates pane, showing all the templates available in your OneNote application. Here, you'll see built-in templates provided by Microsoft, as well as any custom templates you may have created. Locate the template you want to remove. If it's a custom template, it should appear under the Custom section in the Templates pane. Click on the template to select it, and then look for an option to manage or delete it. Depending on your version of OneNote, you may need to right-click the template name to see the Delete or Remove option. Once you click Delete, OneNote will remove the template from your list of available templates. This action only deletes the template itself and does not affect any pages that were already created using it. Any notes or content you previously applied the template to will remain intact. If you want to remove multiple templates, repeat the process for each one. Removing unused templates helps keep your template list organized and makes it easier to find the ones you actually use. Finally, close the Templates pane. Your template list will now reflect the changes, and the deleted templates will no longer be available for selection when creating new pages. By following these steps, you can manage your OneNote templates efficiently, keeping your workspace streamlined and tailored to your needs. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.